It's WooCutzTV here at the License to Create Cosmoprof Awards. And I keep running into my West Coast friends in Los Angeles in the building. I got DreHair. Dre, how you doing, brother?
I'm great. I'm doing well. How are you?
Man, there's nothing like the East Coast for me. For real, like Florida's like my second home. It's a little hot over here. Right?
A little bit. My hair's going a little crazy, but it's all good.
I don't got too much product in my hair. This is really just the humidity holding it up, man. How are you liking the premiere Orlando show?
It's cool. It's different. It's a little different from my SSC. Larger, a little bit more spread out, but yeah, it's been cool. It's cool to see a lot of friends, a lot of familiar faces, and it's actually my first time here, so it's actually nice to experience something new. It's been cool.
Well, you go to a lot of shows and you actually have your own show, you know. What would be something that you would tell people like, hey, go to Orlando premiere? Like, why should people come to this show right here?
Well, specifically Orlando premiere or any show really, it's about being present. You know, it's like, if you want to be where everything is, you got to put yourself there. You got to put yourself there, no matter the cost, no matter anything. It's all about investing in yourself, whether you may not see the value at the immediate. The long-term value, it's the face time that people really need to see. And if you're consistent and people see your face, they don't forget. When they don't forget, you become familiar. And when you're familiar, you're in.
100%, man.
Once you're in. Like, that's pretty much it.
Absolutely. You know, 3 years ago was actually my first time here. You know, I drove 3,000 miles from Boston here. Like, I didn't fly down, you know, and 3 years. Yeah, man. But I planted the seed 3 years ago.
Yeah, now look at you.
Just coming back, man. Like, now I'm the host of the competitions. I'm educating. Got flown out. Got to put up in a hotel, you know. But the thing is, a lot of people in this instant gratification world, they want to plant the seed and eat the same day.
Yeah, it's not how it works.
It doesn't work that way.
No, I've been doing this shit for 10 years, you know, and like, even with my event, it's not like I woke up one day and was just like, hey, I'm gonna hit up all these hairdressers and do all this and this. It took 10 years of knowing every detail of my show, from everything from lighting and sound to DJs to artists to production to graphic designers to video guys. There's a lot that goes into it. It takes time. And just, you know, if you want a seed and if you want to have a beautiful flower, you got to plant a seed, water it every day, and talk to it, kiss it, love it, and just make sure that thing grows. It's gonna take time. Like, what flower grows overnight? No flower does. So that's reality.
Talk to me about Lookbook 2019, man. I'm so excited.
Lookbook 2019. We got a lot of cool things going on. We got 2 new activations called Hair Jam and Hair Royale. Hair Jam's basically, if you've ever wanted to be on stage and be an educator or someone that's a platform artist, this is the event for you. Hair Royale is basically our interpretation of what a barber battle would be, in a sense. But there's not multiple categories, there's one category, the dopest cut. That's it.
That's it.
And you have to impress our judges. And our judges this year are Sophie Staygold,
Oh, you know.
Josh Monica, and Diego.
Oh.
So if you got it, bring it, because those are your judges. And, you know, I want to see everyone step to the plate and really put their money where their mouth is, and, you know, do that kind of thing. And then the one we have actually, we didn't feature it last year, but we did another party with Modern Salon back in November called Collab With Me. And basically that gives the opportunity for the participant to be able to win a collaboration haircut or color with another hair artist that they look up to. And it basically gives them the limelight, the stage, the show, and a one-on-one educational class with that artist. So a lot of fun, interactive stuff. I really want to make this show as interactive as possible. Get everybody from just out of school to seasoned hairdressers and all community, and just really make some really cool stuff and give everybody value. That's awesome.
And I can't wait to be there. Let the people know where they can get tickets to come to Lookbook 2019.
Go onto our website. It's Kraft.salon. Tickets are on sale right now. The show is going to be July 13th and 14th in Hollywood at Yamashiro in LA.
Ooh, we're there. Dre, thank you so much, brother.
Thanks, Dahlia. Thank you for
You're
having me.
always killing it, brother. Thank you. Keep doing you, man. For real, for real. WooCutzTV, connecting the beauty and barber industry through technology, media, and events like this one right here. WooCutzTV out.